konting pan pa raw. Itong sa harapan.
Makalipas ang mahigit isang buwan, isang eksperto ang sumaklolo sa kanila. Si Daryl Blatchley, direktor ng DeBone Museum sa Davao City.
That's the whale. All of this in between.
Hinukay uli ang balyena para maimbestigahan ng pagkamatay nito.
So, ngayon nyo palang malalaman kung ano yung nasa loob ng balyena.
Hoping and praying na magkaroon ng justice yung pagkamatay ng balyena.
Sinimulan na ni Daryl ang necropsy. Isang pagsusuring ginagawa sa labi ng mga namatay na hayop. Katuwang niya ang Municipal Environment Officer na si Saiki.
Ang gagawin ngayon, susubukan daw buksan yung kanyang tiyan para makita kung ano yung laman, ano yung mga nakain nitong balyenang ito.
Hindi madaling suriin ang nabubulok na bangkay ng dambuhalang hayop. Tagaktak ang pawis ni Daryl.
Biglang may sumisipa no?
Oo.
At kahit sanay na si Daryl sa trabahong ito, may mga pagkakataong bumabaliktad din ang kanyang sikmura. Pambihirang pagkakataon para sa lahat ng aming nasasaksihan. Pero habang tumatagal, lalong lumalalim ang misteryo.
So far, we're not even finding squid beaks in there. We're not finding anything in the stomach. So, and as the LG reported and the mineral reported, there was no injuries on it that would have been either getting speared or hit by a boat. And these animals are not going to strand just because of a storm. You would have had more than one stranding if it was due to the storm at that time.
Sa huli, walang nakitang malinaw na palatandaan sila Daryl kung ano ang ikinamatay ng balyena.
Do you have any guess as to why this animal ended up here? Of
This
course, this
one-
is just an educated guess.
Just an educated guess. The fact that they grow up to 20 to 25 feet long, ito was 16 feet. It's not old, it's not young, it's just basically a teenager. And the ribs are starting to sink in, the eyes are sunk in. You know that that animal probably hasn't been eaten very well.
30 taon nang namamalagi sa Pilipinas si Daryl at iba't ibang kaso na rin ng pagkamatay ng hayop ang kanyang nahawakan. Sa kanyang karanasan, bihira daw mangyari na hindi plastic na basura ang sanhi ng pagkamatay ng marine animals.
Bali, ito yung balayena was number 81 parang napag-necropsy ko diri sa Pilipinas in the last 16 years. Out of the 81 that I've necropsied, 69 namatay tungkol sa plastic basura. Sulod sa yung tiyan.
69 out of 81. That's more than 80%, ano?
What makes it worse is when my sons are with me and we're doing the necropsy and they'll go scuba diving with me. They're like, is there anything going to be left for us?